Hi guys, so I thought I'd document how we get from what that was to what that is now, and obviously back there. So first job we've done is that horrible PVC stuff gone. It's making a horrendous mess. I'm just going to go see the boatyard owner about plugging in for main so I can use the R2DT vacuum cleaner. We've brushed all the loose foam off, that's what's left. We've taken all the benches off, and the next job will be to get in here with a vacuum, clear that up, and then that needs, because that's the hole, that needs the insulation on. Now the shelf back here we've been umming and ahhing about, because it is just a shelf, whether we should just varnish that or line it or anything. But that one, as you can see, they've bonded to the fiberglass, so that's going to get carpeted. And then under here you sort of have nothing at the moment. Under there you have nothing, but if you've looked at my photos, under that one we boarded it out. So I'm probably going to board this out, but I need to work out how to get the curve to board it out. So that's going to be a job for once we've got the lining on, excuse the horrible plaster, once we've got the lining on the hole and that on. We've also been repairing windows again, so you can see all the new wood underneath there. Screwed that one up. The new bit of wood is a little bit too big, and I've run out of Ryobi batteries, so that's irritating. And obviously that's the last bit of that white PVC. So our next job now is to clean up and start putting the insulation on, and I'll come back when the insulation's on. We're going to take some wiring out as well, because there's a chart plotter connector down there that we don't need anymore. I need to find out where that goes, disconnect it, because we don't have the chart plotter. And that black wire is the light in what's becoming the Kev cave, so that needs tidying up a bit as well. And we'll probably give him a USB charger as well, because we're nice like that. Oh, we've got a crappy horrible TV aerial down there as well. So yeah, we'll come back when we've done some insulation.